Hello, children. Hope you enjoyed your holiday. Let me be the first to welcome you to Primary 3. We have dealt with numbers up to 999 in Primary 2, and now we have to go higher. Today, we will learn how to count and write numbers up to 9,999. By the end of this lesson, we should be able to count in ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, up to 9,999. We should also be able to count and write in numerals up to 9,999. And finally, we should be able to count on and count back in ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. We will be using some words that you're familiar with, like numerals, count, skip counting, backward counting, forward counting, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. However, we will need to do a little recap of last session's work while we watch this video. Enjoy.
In this lesson, you will learn counting numbers from 1 through 1,000. Remember the talking commas? 1 comma means 1,000. As we begin this lesson, it is very important to remember that math is full of patterns. These patterns can even be seen when counting numbers. Let's take a look. Let's begin with number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to notice that as we continue, numbers will repeat. Only one part will change. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did you notice that going from the ones to the tens over here, that's what it changed, the tens? Right here there were no tens, it was just a 0. Right here we have a 1. What do you think is the next one? If you said it's a 2, you're right. 21. This is what changed. This stays the same. This part stays the same. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Like I said, math is full of patterns. This is true even with larger numbers. Right here we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, but instead of saying 1000, we say 1000. Going from 100 to the next, the patterns still continue. Let's take a look. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199. Remember, we have 1 here. This becomes now a 2. 200. 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299. If this is a 2, it now becomes a 3. 300. Let's look at this one. 791, 792, 793, 794, 795, 796, 797, 798, 799. So this is 7. This number becomes an 800. 800. Try the next one. 999, 991, 992, 993, 994, 995, 996, 997, 998, 999. What is the next number? If you said that this 9 becomes a 10, you're right, it's a 10, so it now becomes 1,000. That's the number. I want you to give it a try. Let's see if you can figure the answer before we figure it out together. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. What's the next number that goes here? If you said 100, you're correct. 100 is the next number. Let's look at the next one. 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299. What's the next number? What goes next after 299? If you said 300, that's the right answer. Let's look at the final one. 991, 992, 993, 994, 995, 996, 997, 998, 999. What could be the next number? If you said 1,000, right on. I want you to try some on your own. I want you to please pause the video when I finish talking, work out the problems, and then check your answers by pressing play again. You will see if your answers are correct. On the first one, we have 591, 592, 593, 594, 595, 596, 597, 598, 599. The next number is 600. Next one, 891, 892, 893, 894, 895, 896, 897, 898, 899, 900 is the next one. And the last one, 991, 992, 993, 994, 995, 996, 997, 998, 999, 1,000. I hope you got them correct.
I hope you enjoyed that video and I trust you learned a thing or two.